The Sixth Arts Museum in the historic city of Suzhou, East China's Jiangsu province, has a collection of ancient Chinese folk objects. Its founder, Mitch Dudek, is a U.S. national who arrived in China in the early 1980s. He became interested in everyday objects used by ordinary people. This curiosity led him to start collecting Chinese folk crafts and antique furniture, and ultimately to open the museum in 2017. With an exhibition space of 18,000 square meters, the museum showcases over 40,000 Asian Chinese folk art items and collectibles, including brick carvings, plaques, sedan chairs, and various other antique furniture pieces.
就是坐进来感觉就像穿越了一样，
进来就非常壮观，然后还有很多那种工具房那种东西，然后我们还亲自体验了一下，就感觉体验感非常好。
According to China's National Cultural Heritage Administration, China was home to 6,565 museums by 2022, of which about one-third, or 2,175, were not owned by the government.